Hey friends, this is Atif here and welcome to the new update on Ethereum Classic. In today's video, I would like to show you a repetitive move that Ethereum Classic has formed. That is another falling wedge pattern after breaking out this previous falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see my trade signals success testimony, then I've also shared the link for a complete report in the video's description, and you can even find the old report links as well in that report. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup of Ethereum Classic that I have shared with my members. That was a by the way, back in September, on 12th of September, a harmonic bullish reversal regardless out of that Ethereum Classic formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started a nice reversal, and this was, by the way, more than 15% pump. And before that, I also shared another harmonic garlic, but this time it was very close to complete this final leg but could not complete this leg. You can see it started the reversal move, very powerful pump, but without completing the leg. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal trade signal that was another garlic pattern with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal move. But before that, you can see we had some price accumulation just slightly below than this potential reversal zone. And that, by the way, this was more than 165% pump on the a weekly time frame chart. That was a very big pattern on the weekly time frame. And before that, I also shared another garlic, not the garlic, that was a bad move, and this was, by the way, very big move. You can see it was moving at 2139.002139 bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that it had a very massive move on this daily time frame chart. We had a very big pump that was here up to 0.0031632 bitcoins. That was more than 1300% pump within few days. Now if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart first, and then I'll take you to this daily time frame chart as well, then here we can see that on the weekly time frame chart, Ethereum Classic has formed a very long-term falling wedge pattern. Here for a few weeks we broke down the support, but that was a fake out, and the price line re-entered the same wedge, and now we are again reached the support. And you can see whenever we are reaching the support, we're having nice bounces, like we had here, and slight bounce we had here, and then we had a fake out, and then we had a big pump, and this time we are again reached the resistance support of this wedge. At the same time, we can see that Ethereum Classic has formed another bullish bias pattern, another falling wedge pattern. And previously we had this falling wedge pattern that we broke out here in the month of July 2022. Then we had a big move like from this low to this high, that was more than 266%. And after the breakout, for example, from this candle up till here, that was almost 200% pump. And I'm expecting that same as like this move, again it can break out the next wedge as well, and after the breakout we can expect a big pump. And for example, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then you can see we have already very strong support of this very big falling wedge pattern as well, and at the same time we have formed another falling wedge pattern within this falling wedge pattern. And therefore, once the price line will be able to break out this wedge, then I'm expecting that it can make another attempt to break out this bigger resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well, this bigger wedge on the weekly time frame chart. And by the way, the final target for this smaller falling wedge pattern, once it will be able to break it out, is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $41 to $42 after the breakout. And after that, you can see it can easily break out the bigger resistance of this down channel, this falling wedge pattern. And after breaking out this bigger falling wedge pattern, we can expect that it can hit the top of the wedge. That will be approximately here from $77 to $80. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.